Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. You are tasked with sharing your presentation with others, but don't want to also share all of the speaker notes. This video will demonstrate how to remove all the speaker notes for all the slides in one shot via two different methods. This is just a 4-slide PowerPoint presentation, one title, one agenda, and 2 regular content slides, where each slide has speaker notes. You could delete them manually very easily in this case, but let's pretend this is a presentation with 80 slides in it. Of course, you could just click File, and then Export, and select Create PDF XPS document. This way, the slides are exported as a .pdf, and by default, this doesn't include the speaker notes. But let's assume you are asked to share the actual PowerPoint slides in a .pptx format. Here's how to do this. To remove all of the speaker notes from all of your slides in one go, click File and then Info. There, in the Inspect Presentation section, click Check for Issues and then select Inspect Document from the list. This opens the Document Inspector, where you can select various different items like comments, revisions or macros to be inspected and then cleared from the document. What we need is presentation notes all the way at the bottom of the list. Easiest is to just leave everything checked and click Inspect. The results of the document inspector are listed. Review what you would like to remove from your presentation, and in this case, again at the bottom, it reads that presentation notes were found. Click Remove All and then Close. Now all of your speaker notes for all of your slides are gone. The second method involves Microsoft Visual Basic for applications, also known as VBA, but you don't need to be a software engineer to do this. Hit Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Right-click VBA Project 1 and click Insert Module. This will open a new module where we paste the text that is on the screen now. This will add the subroutine RemoveAllNotes to the module. A link to this is in the description of this video for your convenience. Just in case you are interested, the variable slide is set, and then via a so-called for each loop, VBA goes over each and every slide in the presentation and then clears the speaker notes. You can now run this code with a click on the play button or press F5. And gone are the speaker notes. The result is exactly the same as with the manual method shown earlier, but this time by saving the module, you can delete the speaker notes automatically, for example via a macro. Also, you can recycle this module across different PowerPoint presentations. But as stated, both methods will lead to the exact same result. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!